this their staff, ACP East and DC, under the supervision of DCP 1, they have done very good work without any clue. Also, within 72 hours, they have recorded the boy and arrested all the accused. In this case, the incident happened around 11:30 night. This boy was kidnapped when he was weeping. He was with the parents, but parents were a little bit far away. And three accused, they have kidnapped this boy in an auto and taken to Vijayanagaram, where they handed over this boy to one lady who is related to accused number A3. And after that, after some time around morning early hours, parents came to know that child has been abducted or kidnapped. Then immediately they came to police station and gave a complaint. And on that our people started investigations, and they verified. Actually, the boy parents are beggars. They were sleeping on in front of one tea stall. There this boy was also there, and the boy was, because he was not in a sleeping mood, parents were sleeping. So easily these people have lured with some biscuit and all this thing and taken this boy. And while they were taking in a auto, one of the person who was other beggar who has seen the people that somebody had taken the boy in a auto, but he was also in a sleeping mode. He had not much bothered. The morning when our team started verifying, then he passed on this information, on which we have started checking all video clips in entire city. In that we found that in a auto one boy was taken towards Vijayanagaram side. Then first auto has been identified on the basis of that, because auto has been registered in Vijayanagaram. Then our team went there and recovered this boy in the possession of lady who is the related to A3. There are 4 accused in this case. Yeah, now you can. First, our people have seen that one boy was taken in an auto. This information was passed on by one of the other beggar who was sleeping little bit distance away. So he had not seen that which number auto, but he passed on information that in a auto, I think a boy has been taken. On that we have taken CCTV footage entire area. In that we found that one auto, one boy was taken, and that auto numbers were traced, and it was registered in Vijayanagaram. Then we sent our teams there, and then we identified this auto driver owner, and then we reached to this. Yeah, actually the motive of this case is that this A3, that Roshan, one boy there, his mother-in-law resides in Simhachalam. So he is coming frequently to take, she gives some ration and all. So they are coming, this fellow is coming frequently to Simhachalam. That day also he came along with these 2 friends. All 3 are residing in same locality in Vijayanagara. So they came to take the ration. But before 3 years back, this Roshan's mother-in-law, sister, who resides in Vijayanagaram, she told that I need a boy, a small boy, because her sister doesn't have children. So she told 3 years back that if you get some boy, you pass on to us so that we can take care of or brought up that boy. But after telling this, she forgot, and that sister also got one baby. So they don't need, but this boy kept in mind, because 3 years back told, so when they came here, they saw this boy weeping and he was away, so they thought that we can hand over this boy to the lady. On that pretext, they have taken this boy. That even though that lady also 2 years back she conceived, and before that she doesn't, 2 out of 3, 2 are auto drivers. One fellow is doing like this prayer in Muslims, so that doing this, so like that they are. These beggars are moving since long. In this boy, another things is also there. Yeah, but because sometimes they come out from rehabilitation center and sleeping on the footpath. So in this case also another issue that this boy, same boy, was rescued during Operation Muskan and handed over to parents. After that again he was kidnapped after 2 days. During that time also we have recovered 127 children, and after identification that we handed over to their parents, because we are producing all children to CWC. There they will decide whether parents are in a position to take care or will send to shelter homes. So recently the Operation Muskans also we have recovered 127 children, and most of them have been handed over to their parents. కూడా ఎట్లా he was moving on roads, parents were not there. So our people, when they started this Operation Muskan, they found that he is alone, and they have taken and produced to CWC. 2 days ముందు. No, it is same day. This incident happened night and morning they came, and the next day we recovered that. Operation Muskan, same day we find out the parents, because morning we recovered, evening we produced to CWC, then they came to know that parents are there.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే తప్పకుండా